Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, October the 10th, 2022, first day of the working week. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. 3 puzzles are left, the binary, the tectonic, and I will continue with the Sudoku with 4 stars, and this will be number 5307. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, that's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 3 threes. We have here 3 fours. We have here 2 fives. 3 sixes. 4 sevens. Alright. And 1 8 and 2 nines. So can I start with the 7? Yes, 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7, 7, okay. I cannot continue with the 7. 7, 7, 7, 7. Need to wait. Alright, so we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 8, 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look. We have a 5 and 8 in this big square, so no 5 and 8 in this box. The 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and the 8. So 1 digit left in this column for number 3. Okay, 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. Then. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. 1, 1, 1. I'm thinking. 9, 9. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. 7 we have here. 1, 2, 7 and 4. Thinking. 6, 6. 8 and a 5. Yeah. 2, 2. I 1, 1. 4, 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4. Okay. Now 1, 1. 1, 1. Hmm. Yeah. Nine. Yeah. Come on. We have a pair, 5 and a 9 in this row, 5 and a 9 in the last row. So the row between, only two places left for the 5 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. So now we have four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last row. So no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. So two missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those two boxes. These three missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, 2 and 6. And the 7 is missing, 267, 267. Okay, so 4, 8. 4, 8, and 3. Yeah, 3. Think. Well, 2, 2, 2, 2. Ah, four missing numbers. Here we have 5 and a 9. Two of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this column. So no 2 and a 6 in these two boxes. 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. Sorry again. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 and a 4, well, we have a 2 now in this row. So no 2 there, 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. Two numbers left in the last row. Four numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. 267. 267. Okay. Then 5 9 1 5 9 8. No. 5 1 2 3. The 4. 4 is missing here. 3 3. 2 2. 3 3. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So last column. The only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. We have a pair. 3 and a 6 in this row. 3 and a 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only two places left for the 3 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. Alright. Okay. 3 3. Well. 1 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here, 1 in the second row. No 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the third row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. No, not a pair, not a pair, not a pair. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Cannot continue with the 1 now. How about the 2 in the third column? The 2 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. You see here 2 in the first row, no 2 there. Here 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left. Here we have a 3 and a 6. The other 2 numbers are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes, and there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. Two missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and the 9, 8 and the 9. Let me mark those two boxes. That means 1 digit left in this row. The third row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. I believe the 8 and the 9. Yeah, 8 and the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. 9, 9. Okay. Alright. 8 and the 9. 2, 2. 7, 7. Yeah, still missing. 3, 3. 1, 1. Come on. 4, 4. 5 and the 9. 5, 9, and the 4 is missing here. Yeah. 2, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this column, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright. 2, 2. 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and 9. Let me mark those. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here 4 in that column, so no 4 there. Here we have also 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or there, here or there. This is occupied with the numbers 5 and 8. So here or there for the 4, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there, so only place left for the 4 should be here. 3, 6, and 9. Okay, one of the missing number in this row is the number 9. Well, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here a 9 in that column, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 8 and 9, we have a 9 now in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes and there. 5 and 9, we have a 9 in the set column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. One box left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Hold on. We have a pair. 1 and a 2 in this column. 1 and a 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 and the 2 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. And look, we have 1 and a 2 in this row, so no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. A lot of pairs we have here. So now we have 2 missing numbers, the 3 and the 6. Here we have 1 and a 2. So those 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the third of in this big square for number 6. Alright. 6, 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 and 8, we have a 5 now in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, well, we have a 7 now in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 6 goes and there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Previous Sudoku, it took me 24 minutes to solve. And this one has 19 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this really a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in a minute with the other two puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.